baby Dono is hungry. He wants a peanut butter and jelly and sandwich. He gonna feed him one. Wait until he do this and this. Look. First, he gets to, let's say, slice.
Yes, slice.
Of bread. You like bread?
Yes, I like bread. Oh, you skip this one.
No, order.
Okay.
Then he would spray on peanut butter on the bread. Do you like peanut butter?
Yes, I like peanut butter.
Me too.
You like it too?
Yeah. What he doing like that?
I don't know. You think why he do like that?
Wait. Why he do like that? Next, he puts jelly on the bread. Do you like jelly?
Do you like jelly?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like jelly too.
What happened now? But where? No, it's the wrong way. Sandwich.
Now.
What?
Now.
Now, baby. Well,
Right here. Now, baby.
no, baby. Don't know. Ready.
Is ready.
Is ready to eat.
I know, he ready to eat.
But look,
What happened?
he can feed one. He can have one. He can have one.
Okay, let's read. But
where is the rest of his sandwich?
oh, where's the rest of his sandwich?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Of his sandwich.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Maybe over here they tell you.
Maybe on the plate.
Not on the plate. Just only half of it. Oh! Right here.
Not.
Oh no!
Oh no.
What happened? Oh no!
Baby puts don't like peanut butter. I did.
And
jelly sandwich too.
yeah,
I did it.
he took it. Baby Pluto took it. Right, Rylan?
He lost it.
He lost it.
Yeah.
The dog stole it.
Yeah. He gonna put it away.
He eat it.
Yeah, and he gonna eat it all.
I think so. The end. สวัสดีครับกัน สวัสดีครับ